Hello everyone, it's Lillian here from Cuisines and Wellness. To our returning subscribers, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. Hit the subscribe button to join the family. I'll be teaching you how to make the most spicy member of the smallchops family, peppered gizzard. Let's get right into it. For this, I'll be using 500 grams of gizzard. Wash it very well and set aside. Chop the onion and scotch bonnet. I've got my already blended fresh pepper in a plate. After chopping the onion, divide it into two. I'll be using the first part to steam the meat and the other to stir fry later in the video. So guys, in case you don't know, we have an Instagram and a Facebook page. You can follow us on those platforms as well. There we are more interactive. You can leave us a DM or send an email if you have any diet or health related questions you'd like us to answer. You'll find our email address and the links to other platforms in our description box below. After you're done chopping, get the pot, place it on medium heat, add the gizzard to the pot, and remember, do not put water in it because the gizzard naturally produces water when boiled. Add seasoning to taste. Ensure you spice up the gizzard very well for best results. I already added thyme, Italian and chicken spice, ginger, garlic, curry, pepper, salt, and I'm now adding my Maggi cubes to taste. And finally, add 1 part of the chopped onions to the pot. Mix thoroughly and allow to steam for 15 to 20 minutes. When it's done steaming, drain out the water and set it aside. Still on medium heat, get a frying pan. Add small quantity of cooking oil to it. Add the remaining part of the onion. Stir fry for a while and add both the blended and the chopped pepper to it and stir for about 2 minutes. Now you add the gizzard to the frying pan and stir fry for about 5 minutes. When it's done, you can serve with rice, pasta, small chops, or even eat it alone with a chilled bottle of wine, if you know what I mean. Hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're yet to do so. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Hit the like button, share, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.